This is the Truss by Gerber. With the Truss, we took everything that users loved about the suspension and optimized the tool pack to deliver even more functionality. With 17 tools, you'll be able to handle any challenge that comes your way. This butterfly open multi-tool features spring-loaded pliers. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse pliers, and wire cutters. Bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver, saw, serrated blade, wire stripper, large flathead driver, fine edge blade, cross driver, scissors, awl, ruler, file, medium flathead driver. Locking outboard tools offer quick access and safe use. The Truss comes in a nylon sheath, available in either dual mount or MOLLE compatible options. From the job site to the campsite, the Truss delivers professional grade tools in a compact frame.
This is the MP600, proven on the battlefield. It's the core member of the one-handed opening series of Gerber Multi-Tools relied on by the US military. Built of hardy stainless steel, the MP600 opens smoothly with one hand, and its long pliers function precisely to grab and manipulate small objects in equally small spaces. It has a wire cutter and crimper, as well as built-in rulers that run along the handles. Flip open the handles to access the serrated blade, fine edge blade, Phillips driver, 3 separate sizes of flatheads, full-size file, lanyard ring, and can and bottle opener. Each of the components locks safely in place for heavy use. As with all of our military products, it's proudly built in Portland, Oregon. A true American icon, this is the MP600.
This is the Dime. It's a clever mini multi-tool you can attach to a keychain. It contains 10 tools. In addition to butterfly opening stainless steel spring-loaded needle nose pliers, wire cutters, a fine edge blade, spring-loaded scissors, flat driver, tweezers, lanyard ring, and a fine and coarse file. The Dime includes the retail package opener, a blade that safely cuts and scores plastic packaging. The Dime's bottle opener is exposed even when the tool is closed. Store this cool little multi-tool in a pocket, a purse, or keep it on a key ring. This is the Dime.
This is the Suspension-NXT by Gerber. The Suspension-NXT takes its inspiration from the many bridges of our hometown, Portland, Oregon. It's low profile and has a clip for pocket carry instead of hip carry. Despite its compact size, the Suspension-NXT doesn't compromise on function with 15 tools. Tools include needle nose pliers, standard coarse tooth pliers, and wire cutters. Scissors, medium flathead driver, ruler, file, wire stripper, large flathead driver, awl, bottle opener, can opener, small flathead driver, cross driver, partially serrated blade. It's a familiar butterfly open design with spring-loaded pliers. Locking outboard tools offer safe, convenient operation. To complement the pocket clip, it also features an integrated lanyard hold. The Suspension-NXT is designed for the EDC user who requires a fully featured multi-tool that's pocketable for the commute.
Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The multi-tool just got a reality check.